Hi guys, this is Prashun once again. After completion of the theory of the matrices, we will go through now the problems and solution of the matrices. I have taken the problems and solutions in such a way it is going from simple to harder. From the joint interest perspective, obviously the harder problem will come, but for your day-to-day understanding of the problems and for your board examination, the simpler problems are also needed. So based upon this fact, this tutorial has been designed. Let's see how the problems and solutions of the matrices are there and how we can resolve this. These are needed for your understanding of the concept as well as to go for the harder problems. Okay, so let's. The first problem is in the matrix A, the A matrix has been provided. Write the order of the matrix, the number of elements, write the elements A13, A21, A33, A24 and A23. This is to know what is your understanding of the matrix. Okay, let's see. You people will be able to resolve this before I proceed, but it is my duty to go ahead with all these things. First one, how many number of rows you can see? See, here I can see one row, this one row, this one row beginning with root over 3. So there are 3 rows. So number of rows equal to 3. Fine. So to know the order of the matrix, what I need to know? I need to know number of rows and number of columns. Let's see what is the number of columns. Number of columns equal to 4. Why? One column is 235 root 3. Another column is 5 minus 2, 1. Third column is 19 5 by 2 minus 5. Fourth one minus 7, 12, 17. So there are 4 columns, sorry. So order of the matrix means number of rows into number of column. So the order is 3 cross 4. So order of the matrix is 3 cross 4. Next I will go to number of elements. Okay. Number of elements I can see from the example that it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. But there is no need of counting this thing. Generally it may be in some larger dimension. Let's say someone may write what is the number of elements of a 50 cross 24 matrix. At that time it is not possible to count all these things. The rule is number of rows into number of columns equal to number of elements. So here the order of the matrix is 3 cross 4. So number of element is just the multiplication of those. So equal to 3 cross 4 equal to 12 elements. Fine. Okay. Now the last one. Write the elements of A13, A21, A33 and A24. First one is A13. What does 1 and 3 means? 1 means row number 1, 3 means column number 1. So I will go ahead. A13. What is my A13 in this example? Number 1 row is this and column 3. First column, second column and third column. So third column is 1, 3 means 19. Next example is A21. 21 means second row. Second row means this one and this one is the second row. And 1 means first column, that is 35. Next example A33. 33 means third row, 1, 2, 3, third row and third column. Third column is first column, second column and third column, so that is minus 5. Fourth one is A24. 2 means second column, so second row, so this is the second row, and next one is fourth column. 1 column, second column, third column, fourth column, so that is 12. last one A2 3. 2 row means this one, and 3 means first column, second column, and third column, that is 5 by 2. So my problem is, I have done with my problem. Okay, very easy. Next, go to the next one. If a matrix has 24 elements, what are the possible order it can have? What if it has 13 elements? Okay, so I have to mention, like, if a matrix has 24 elements, what the possible order it can have. Okay, how to go ahead with this? I know that if a matrix is having order of m cross n, then the number of elements is mn. That is a rule. Now, if the element is having 24, so 24 means m cross n. So now I have to find out what is my value of m and what is my value of n. So first, what I will do, I will divide 24 into two product, so that the product can be 24. Let's see how I can do. 1 comma 24, like if m equal to 1 and n equal to 24, that multiplies to 24. That is one option. Second option is just the opposite, 24 rows and 1 column. Okay, fine. Next one, 2 12. 2 into 12, if I multiply, then it becomes 24. So that is third option, and fourth option will be the opposite of that, 12 and 2. So 12 rows and 2 columns. Next one, 3 8. 3 8 means 24. 3 cross 8, 24. And the opposite is 8 cross 3, that is 24. Next one is 4 into 6. 4 into 6, 24, and the opposite is 6 comma 4, that is 24. Now if I go to 7, if I multiply with something, it doesn't go to 24. 8, if I multiply with something, then 8 goes with 3 to form 24. That is already I have taken. Next one, 9 cannot multiply with anything to get 24. 10 not. 11 no. 12 yes. 12 into 2. So 12 into 2 already I have taken. So I have taken all the possible combinations. Hence the possible orders of the matrix having 24 elements are 1 cross 24, 24 square 1, 2 12, 12 2, 3 8, 8 3, 4 6, and 6 4. Now second portions of the question, what if it has 13 elements? So if it has 13 elements, so I have to find out 13 means 13 is the product of m into n. So I have to find out m and n. 13 is a prime number. So only 1 comma 13 is a possible, and 13 comma 1 are possible. There is no other two numbers which are multiplied to form 13. So that is having only these possible combinations, 1 13 and 13 1. Hence the possible orders of a matrix having 13 elements are 1 comma 13 and 13. Example. Third example, construct a 3 cross 4 matrix whose elements are given by, okay, aij equal to half of mod minus 3i plus j. If that is the case, so aij I am writing as half minus 3i plus j. Okay, I will put different values of I and j to form the matrix. Okay, so a 3 cross matrix is written like that: a11, a12, a13, a14, all the first rows elements with 1 and then suffix with the column number. So a11, a12, a13, a14. Second row, that is a2, first column is 1, so a21. Next one, a22, second row, second column. Second row, third column. Second row, fourth column. So in this way a 3 cross 4 matrix is written. So I am just putting I and j value with different things. Like I have to find out a11. So means my I will be 1 and j will be 1. So I am just putting A11 equal to half of minus 3 into I plus j. I means 1 plus j means 1. So it becomes half of mod of minus 2. Mod of something means positive number. So mod of minus 2 means 2. 2 by 2 equal to 1. Similarly, if I go to A12 half minus 3, I means 1, j plus j means 2. So half of minus 1 mod equal to half. So in this way I will put different values of I and j and I will get the numbers. A31 means half of again minus 3i plus j. Minus 3 into 3, I means 3 plus j means 1, that is plus 1 equal to half of minus 9 plus 1 means minus 8. A minus 8 and mod means 8. 8 by 2 equal to 4. So the matrix becomes, now I have got the value of A11 to A34. So I will just put the values and I will get. So A11 means 1. So this 1 I am putting over here. So this becomes 1. Next one is A12, that is half. A12 means these portions. So I am just putting over here half. In this way the entire matrix is formed. Okay. I hope this is clear. Next, let's go to the next problem. Find the value of x, y and z from the following equation. They have given one equation, x matrix of x plus y plus z, x plus z, y plus z equal to 9, 5 and 7. Okay. As the two matrices are equal, their corresponding elements are also equal. That properties I have already discussed in the matrix properties theory classes. So I am just taking, as the two matrices are equal, their corresponding elements are also equal. So I can clearly write three equations from here. That is, the first one is x plus y plus z corresponds to 9, x plus z corresponds to 5 and y plus z corresponds to 7. So I am just writing these three. Now from here I will just resolve this thing. From 1 and 2, if I see x plus z value equal to 5, so y plus 5 equal to 9, y equal to 4. Then from 3 we can get y plus z equal to 7. Now y already I have got 4, 4 plus z equal to 7, z equal to 3. Now x plus z equal to 5 in the second equation. So z value I know, that is 3. So x equal to 5 minus 3, that is 2. So ultimately I have got three values, x equal to 2, y equal to 4 and z equal to 3. This is very easy. Just as the two matrices are equal, I am taking the corresponding elements are equal. That's it. Okay. So easy one. A equal to matrix of Aij m cross n matrix if, okay, when m cross n is a square matrix, when m less than 1, m greater than 1, m equal to n and none of this. Okay, the correct answer is when m equal to n. It is a known fact that a given matrix is said to be a square matrix if the number of rows equal to the number of columns. So m denotes the number of rows in the matrix expressions and n denotes the number of columns. So when m equal to n, only then this can be a square matrix. Okay, so that's all. Thanks for watching the video. If you like, please like, and you can subscribe me so that this video can be reached to wider audience. In the next session we will go through a little bit harder problems. Okay, thank you, have a good day.